Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about factor data type. Factors in R are a data type used for categorizing data into distinct groups. They are essential for storing information with a finite number of possible values. For example, when analyzing survey responses with fixed choices like yes, no, and maybe, factors are employed to efficiently manage and analyze this categorical data. Factors in R are categorical variables that represent qualitative data. The factor function in R is used to create factors from a vector of categorical data. For example, you can create a factor variable for car colors by defining a vector colors with different color names like red, blue, green, and then applying factor function to it to convert it into a factor variable colors factor. This factor variable will represent the categories of car colors with levels based on the unique values present in the vector. When working with factors in R, it's important to understand that factors have levels, which are the distinct values that the factor can have. These levels can be set when creating a factor or explicitly defined using the levels argument. For example, when categorizing car colors into a factor variable, you can define the factor levels as red, blue, and green using the levels argument. This helps ensure that the factor variable accurately represents the specific categories of the data being analyzed. Factors are essential in data analysis to preserve the categorical nature of the data within R. Categorical data must be treated differently from numerical data for accurate modeling and visualization. In R, some functions automatically convert character variables to factors, underscoring the significance of being aware of data types. For instance, converting a character variable like sizes to a factor using as.factor ensures that sizes are treated as categories like small, medium, and large, rather than as arbitrary text values. This transformation is crucial for streamlining data manipulation and enhancing the efficacy of data analysis processes. A factor data type is like a filing cabinet in an office, where each drawer represents a different category, factor level. Just like how you can easily retrieve a specific document from a labeled drawer in a filing cabinet, you can quickly access specific data points associated with a factor level in a factor data type in a program. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The given R code demonstrates the creation and manipulation of a factor data type. In this scenario, a dataset containing employee names and their corresponding departments is used. First, two vectors, employee and department, are defined to store the employee names and their respective departments. The department vector is then converted into a factor data type named department factor using the factor function. In this conversion, the levels of the factor are explicitly defined as HR, engineering, and marketing. Subsequently, the code showcases how to access and work with specific data points associated with a factor level. The levels function is used to print out the distinct levels within the department factor. Finally, the script demonstrates how to retrieve employee names that belong to a particular department level. In the example provided, employees in the engineering department are identified by subsetting the employee vector based on the condition where department factor is equal to engineering. This code snippet exemplifies the utility of factor data types in efficiently managing categorical data in R. Factors aid in organizing and categorizing data, facilitating tasks like subsetting, filtering, and summarizing data based on predefined levels. Just as a label on a folder streamlines the process of locating specific documents in a physical filing system, factor data types streamline the organization and retrieval of categorical data in R programming. In the financial industry, factor data types are commonly used in risk management and portfolio optimization. For instance, when analyzing stock market data, factors like price-to-earnings ratio, market capitalization, and dividend yield can be converted into factor data types for statistical modeling and risk assessment. For another example, in the manufacturing sector, factor data types can be employed in quality control processes. Factors such as temperature, pressure, and processing time can be categorized into factors, allowing manufacturers to identify key variables that impact product quality and optimize production processes accordingly. Across the globe, the utilization of factor data types in various industries underscores the importance of organizing and analyzing data efficiently to derive valuable insights and make informed decisions. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.